Friends, and I say that word intentionally, friends, because I view many of you as friends, and I value these relationships that we've developed as we work from different perspectives to hopefully find common ground that leads to the best outcomes for the highest number of our residents. But we're not off to a good start this term, and I would appeal to our better angels and our higher ideals as we move forward over the next 2 years. We've seen impassioned speeches on both sides of the aisle about inflammatory national issues that have absolutely nothing to do with state government. We've seen resolutions and amendments designed to set each other up and get each other on record, to embarrass each other, to shame each other and score political points. We must resolve at this very moment to stop, to insist that we will not indulge in the temptation to just yell and scream and fight because it feels good or because it will appeal to a certain part of our base. We must resolve to take the harder role and exercise self-control, to be slow to anger, to give one another the benefit of the doubt, which, make no mistake, is much more difficult and takes much more strength than giving into our anger. If we cannot do these things, we will do nothing but waste everybody's time and resources over the next 2 years. Again, some think that hostility and anger is a sign of toughness, a sign of really being in there fighting. That's a mark of our debased culture that has come to look at politics not as an arena for responsible government and organization of society, but as a sport akin to boxing or a cage fight that appeals to our basest instincts. What really requires toughness is that ability to rise above, to exhibit mastery over our emotions, to swallow our basic instincts and work together with everything we have to address the very real challenges facing our state. The people of our state deserve the best of our thinking. A prominent journalist just last week wrote a powerful opinion piece calling for maturity amongst the members of this body. We should be ashamed to have exhibited behavior that where such a call is even conceivable. We're senators for the state of Michigan, what should be a dignified position. People are counting on us. So let's forget about the past couple weeks. Let's agree to forgive what needs to be forgiven, overlook bad behavior on both sides of the aisle, and start over. Because I think we can indeed be productive in this divided government, and we can indeed still do our duty in a way where, as we close out this session at the end of next year, we can be proud that we left the state in a better condition than we found it.